dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The Director General of the National Pension Commission, Aťtäck, denied the allegation that the commission loaned 10 trillion to the federal government. Moving on, we have Aťtäck, the leader of the Pan-Yoruba Social Political Organization, backers for parliamentary government, saying that the presidential system is too corrupt and is too expensive. All right, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn the notification bell so that whenever our news drop, now you go be the first to watch out. My people, don't be smarting the apple for this country. My people, the Director General of the National Pension Commission, Aťtäck, don't deny the allegation that the commission loaned 10 trillion to the federal government. My people, this matter gets as a B. The National Representative in October adopted a motion mandating that the Committee on Pension should recover 10 trillion pension fund borrowed by the federal government. So, dismissing the claim during an interview over the weekend, that Roman said that the Pencom was not a bank and they did not warehouse or manage pension fund. That the federal government did not obtain 10 trillion loan from the commission. My people, don't be smarting the apple for this country. Now, so our money they miss. Later they say they use until they do something. People are still in hardship, and these people are busy looting money from different corners. She said investment by the pension fund assets in the security of the federal government of Nigeria are not loan as people have portrayed it, but investment in securities through bonds and treasury bills as approved by the relevant government agencies. She said, moreover, pension fund assets are not managed by Pencom, that they have said it repeated times, that when they say pension assets have grown to 19.6 trillion, that does not mean that Pencom have 19.6 trillion locked somewhere in their office or bank account. That pension fund assets are managed by the licensed pension fund assets and they are held under custody by the licensed pension fund custodian. So, the pension fund assets are responsible for investing pension fund assets in allowable asset classes, including federal government debt instruments. So the objective are safety and fair returns, that all these are in line with the provision of the enabling law, that the Pension Reform Act 2014 and the rule issued by the Commission. It's obvious from the above that what is referred to as loan to federal government is just investment in federal government securities by the pension fund assets, as it is done by other institutional investors such as banks, insurance company, asset manager, and so on. Now, responding to the claim that Pencom was owing federal government retirees arrears of pensions, Dara Umar Aisha argued that the federal government had consistently met their repayment obligations, and the Pencom DG further clarified claim about outstanding benefits to federal government retirees, that the delayed payment of retirement benefits to some federal government retirees and deceased employees is because of the inadequate and funding for the payment of accrued pension rights for those who were in service before the contributory pension scheme was introduced when Pencom was established in 2004. So payment for the accrued rights is subjected to the release of funds by the federal government, that it is beyond the power of the commission. So they have been engaging the Federal Ministry of Finance for more funds to be released to settle these liabilities, because it's not a secret that the government itself has budgetary constraint. So she said that all those enrolled under the contributory pension scheme had been receiving their benefits through the pension fund assets, that there was no unsolved complaint before the commission. So the total assets under the contributory pension scheme reached 18.3 trillion. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts towards this issue. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The leader of the Pan-Yoruba Social Political Organization, Aťtäck, has beckoned calls for Nigerians to transit from the current presidential system to a parliamentary government. He said that most of them that have had experience with the parliamentary system in this country, we see that that is the only way out, that the presidential system is corrupt, especially in Nigeria, and that makes the president a dictator. That to question the supremacy of the president is only in operation before the election. That the moment he's elected, he becomes a dictator where no one can oppose him. And by that time, his word is the law. Particularly in Nigeria, our constitution makes the president the most powerful in the world. That the system is too expensive and corrupt. That the earlier we revert, the better for us. That under the parliamentary system, the prime minister becomes more responsible. He's responsible to the parliament. that by the name alone, the Prime Minister falls among equals, that if he misbehaves, the Parliament will question him because the ministers are elected member of their constituencies. The advantages of a parliamentary system are many. It is a welcome development that should be implemented expeditiously, and the constitution should be changed. You guys can recall that there was one time a group of lawmakers in the House of Representatives had proposed amendment to the 1999 Constitution to transit from the current presidential system to the parliamentary system of government. So according to the group, they made up of 60 lawmakers. So the transition has become necessary to reduce the cost of government in the face of dwindling revenue. The base proposed constitutional alteration for the transition to the parliament system of government. The bill was sponsored by the House Minority Leader Kingsley Chinda and 59 others. The bill was read on the floor of the House of Representatives during a plenary section. This bill they are talking about, that they are seeking to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, advocates a transition from the current presidential system to a parliamentary system at all levels, including federal, state, and local government. So this would yield significant impact in the regional political landscape. Meanwhile, Kano businessman Aminu Dantata have also backed the call for parliamentary system of government as a solution to Nigeria's problem. Dantata, who rarely speak on political issues in the country, said that the parliamentary system of government is the way forward. Honestly, the presidential system is too corrupt. If that parliamentary system they want to, invest with the positive results in this country, I think they should go ahead because the masses are suffering. Look at what is happening. APC government kept us in hardship for 8 years. The person that inherited the same government is still, keeping the citizens in hardship for 8 years. It has even become worse. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us board. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, do also feel free to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.